Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learn with Handry. Today, we will do something more special, something more challenging than our previous tutorials. But to conclude our previous slides, we already covered about the selections, switch case, and looping, and we have three types of looping: looping for, dual, and while do. But in this tutorial, we are trying to implement both of the concepts, which are selections and the loopings. So I had coded beforehand, so you could see what are we trying to solve in these tutorials. So we gonna try to make a rectangles. Okay, maybe sounds weird, but let's see. So in these programs, so you could see in your screens, you are trying to input two types of inputs, which are the width of the rectangles and the rectangle and the height of the rectangles. So 3 and 3, yeah, something like this, and you hit enter. It will be printed. The first one is the perfect rectangles. Yeah, you could see the rectangles shapes, and also I try to print only the outline of the rectangles. And the third one, I print only the diagonal of the rectangles. Okay, so let's see if we are trying to let's say I want to try to make something more bigger. Yeah, so let's say 7 and 7. Yeah, the width is 7 and the height is 7. Okay, so you could see I have a rectangles 7 by 7. Yeah, so why maybe you ask me like why you try to keep input the odd numbers. Yeah, because in the diagonals I would like to have something more perfect diagonal rectangle. So you should have like uh, the odd number. Okay, the odd number of the height. Okay, so just say if you would like to more something bigger, maybe 13. Yeah, so you have a perfect rectangle, the outline rectangle, and diagonal rectangles. Yeah, maybe for the easier one, maybe it's the perfect rectangle. It's very straightforward. And the second one is the outline rectangles. Starting from the outline and diagonals, you need the selections. Okay, but for the perfect rectangles, you don't need the selections. So how to solve that? Let's find in another video.